Meet Move ECG, the world's first analog watch to record a medical-grade electrocardiogram on demand. The heart is a muscle triggered by an electric signal. This signal can be recorded and is called an electrocardiogram, or ECG. The ECG detects when the heart beats irregularly. This can be caused by atrial fibrillation, or AFib. AFib is the most common heart rhythm disorder. 1 in 4 middle-aged adults in Europe and the US will develop AFib. It is a major risk for stroke and is underdiagnosed because episodes might not happen when at the doctor's office. With Move ECG, if you feel palpitations are happening, place your hand on your watch and in 20 seconds it will record an electrocardiogram thanks to 3 electrodes, 2 in the back of the watch and another on the ring you hold during the measurement. During the measurement, your ECG signal appears instantly in the HealthMate app. Then the app alerts you if you have AFib and if you should consult a specialist. Even better, your ECG records can be sent to your doctor if needed. It is well known that activity can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. Move ECG also features automatic activity tracking and an altimeter to measure stair climbing. Thanks to its 12-month battery life and water resistance up to 50 meters, it can move with your life. Move ECG motivates you to get on the path to better health. Prevention, action, 24/7 heart health solution.
The one thing at the top of our menu since day one, transforming customers into fans. We constantly have our finger on the pulse, helping us create not only the world's best kitchen appliance, but unforgettable experiences really worth sharing. How? By bringing people with the same passion together, not only digitally, but where real life happens, in their homes. Regardless of where they come from, what drives them, how great their ambitions are, or what holds them back. We inspire them to try new things, because everyone deserves a life that makes them happier. Everyone should be able to turn a how into a wow and create truly delightful moments. With the best Thermomix we've ever made. Of course it can weigh, chop, grind, grate, steam, whisk, mix and boil. But for the first time ever, new cooking modes add more ought to your cuisine, giving you more wows and yummy mummies. More tenderness made effortless. More homemade yogurt and cheese. More pulled pork at the next garden party. More taste highlights by adding roasting aromas. And caramel creations prepared in a jiffy. The new Thermomix is cleaner, more powerful, and psst, it's quieter. With a way larger display, a highly intuitive user interface, and recipe recommendations, making the best homemade meals easy peasy. Built-in Wi-Fi and Cookie Do provide daily inspiration, with over 40,000 guided cooking recipes created and shared all over the world, regardless of which device you use. And the best part? It gets better and better all by itself. Smart at heart. Just like you. TM6, the all-new Thermomix by Vorwerk.
The Concept D9 is a laptop specifically created for designers. It features powerful performance and accurate color reproduction, and has a clean, professional appearance. The backlit keyboard emits a warm amber glow that lets you feel relaxed in any environment. A good display is important for creation, and you can see every detail in unbelievable clarity with this 17.3-inch 4K UHD IPS display. Color is also critical for design work. With a 100% Adobe RGB wide color gamut and a Pantone validated display, get a full range of colors to work with. Color accuracy is also a priority. The display has been tested and calibrated to achieve a super low Delta E average of less than 1 to reproduce true-to-life colors. On top of that, the Concept D9 has a touchscreen, which works with a Wacom EMR pen. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, you can enjoy fast, accurate control and an authentic writing and sketching experience. The stylus is battery-free and has a magnetic design, so it stays attached to your device. The coolest feature is the patented easel hinge on the sides of the display. You can move the display closer or lay it down, and when you need to share the screen, just flip the display and your team members or clients can see the content. This laptop can also handle your creative projects. There's a 9th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, 32 GB of DDR4 memory, and more, meaning you can multitask at speed and handle complex 3D design projects. As for the GPU, it's an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, allowing you to do real-time ray tracing and apply AI to the applications you use every day. You can do all your design work. It will be easier, better, and faster. When you're working hard, you want peace and quiet, and you'll get that with a 4th Gen Aeroblade 3D fan. Even when the CPU is at full capacity, it still runs at under 40 decibels, the equivalent of a library room. There's a full range of ports, including a Thunderbolt 3. This delivers data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, while also allowing you to connect to multiple 4K displays. With its flexible form factor, top-class performance, and stylish design, the Concept D9 is a powerful workmate for creators, providing a superior design work experience. Concept D. Let creators be creators.